Do you want to know how you can choose your artwork style in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose your artwork style in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream, which is on your phone. Now click on the plus icon, which you can see in the middle of your screen. Click on see all under this choose an art style. So these all of it are your artwork style which is mentioned in Wombo Dream. So you can select the artwork style, start giving the prompts and then create artwork for yourself. Let me show it to you once again guys how you can choose artwork style in Wombo Dream. Tap on Dream app which is on your phone and then tap on the plus sign which is on the bottom of your screen. Now to choose an art style, click on see all. You can see all of your art style. You can even search some of the art styles which you want. Select it and your art style will be changed. I hope this video about how you can choose artwork style in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.